Introducing the Ridstar MN-26 e-bike, engineered for powerful performance and versatile riding experiences. Equipped with a robust 1500W motor, the MN-26 effortlessly tackles 30-degree slopes. Its removable 48V 20Ah battery, featuring UL and BMS systems, delivers an impressive range of up to 60 to 70 miles on a single charge. The waterproof and removable design ensures convenience and reduces theft risk. Built with a sturdy carbon steel frame, the MN-26 offers adjustable seat and handlebars, a step-through frame, a large capacity basket, rear rack, and bottle mounts, making it perfect for commuting, mountain biking, or leisurely rides. The upgraded 26 by 4 foot wide puncture-resistant fat tires provide superior performance and a sleek look. Enjoy a smooth ride with adjustable front suspension and seat post, ensuring comfort on all terrains. Stay in control with dual disc brakes and precise shifting with the SHAMANO 7-gear system. Ride safely at night with a bright LED headlight and brake light, ensuring visibility and safety during nighttime rides. The MN-26 offers 3 riding modes: pure electric, assisted bicycle, and normal bike. Customize your ride with 5-speed settings, and monitor key ride information with the LCD color display, including speed, battery level, and mileage. Stay connected with the built-in USB port for phone charging on the go. The Ridstar MN-26 comes with pre-assembled features such as bottle mounts, a front basket, and a rear rack, allowing you to easily add accessories to your bike. This bike is designed to meet your needs in any situation. Whether you're commuting, exploring scenic routes, or tackling exciting trails, the Ridstar MN-26 e-bike is your ultimate choice for a versatile and enjoyable riding experience. Discover the freedom of riding the Ridstar MN-26 e-bike.